And that is a good problem to have. I know. I was pulling out another blue dress, excited about tonight's game. It's 4:08, and it is humid out there today. In fact, it's going to be humid all day. Let me walk you hour by hour through the day. Already in the upper 70s. Not long after the sun rises. Now, there's just a 10% rain chance this morning, so it's not out of the question, but most of you will be dry. Only a 20% rain chance at noon. Now, that goes up to about 40% in the afternoon, and when it's not raining on you, you're going to wish it were, with a high of 90. Even some evening showers, which may play a role if you're going out to Amalie Arena to watch the game outside. Steamy, yeah. Few showers in the forecast both today and tomorrow. But tomorrow things start to change. Scattered rain with a cold front and then lower rain chances Sunday. In fact, even lower humidity and more sunshine next week. So it's a 40% chance today, rain chance at 30% Saturday, 20% Sunday, but I've taken it out for Monday and Tuesday. At 4:08, we'll check in on traffic on the 8th.